the best way to start the day. Breakfast dishes differ from one country to another. One of the most famous dishes in the UK is the full breakfast or the fry-up. It's made up of eggs, sausages, baked beans and toast, and can also include white pudding, fried mushrooms and tomatoes. A full breakfast takes a long time to cook and it's quite unhealthy, so a lot of British people only eat it at the weekend. On weekdays, most people eat something lighter for breakfast, like a bowl of porridge or breakfast cereal. Another popular choice is toast with jam or marmalade. But no English breakfast is complete without a cup of tea. Breakfast is an important meal for Kazakhs too. Traditional breakfast food in Kazakhstan includes lots of dairy-based products such as milk and ayran. During the week, some people prefer to eat fried eggs, porridge, bread, jam, milk, and berries for breakfast. Tea is the most popular morning drink in Kazakhstan. It's the perfect way to start the day.